Here I'm going to take a couple of questions on factoring, and first few questions will be based on your earlier knowledge of factoring, where we are going to use the knowledge of product sum, grouping, and difference of squares and difference of cubes. Okay, so this question here involves grouping. Now when you look at this kind of a polynomial, then you can find some correlation, right? We say 2 and 32 kinds of looks related, right? The idea is to teach you how to figure out what to do, because grouping is not one of the easiest thing to do. It's kind of complicated. How to group? If you can group nicely, then you can easily get your answer. Otherwise, it's kind of difficult. Now, when you look at it, this comes to my mind as the right kind of grouping. So let's group it and rewrite this. So we get here as 2x to the power of 4 minus 32 x square plus 3x cube minus 48x. And now once you have grouped it, it's not that difficult. You can take common terms here and we get 2x square as common. And you're left with x square here, and 32 divided by 2 is 16. So you get minus from here and 16 plus 3 is common factor and x is also common factor. So you get 3x here and you get x square minus 16, right? 3 times 16 is 48. The idea is to get these two terms same, right? If you're not getting them same, something wrong has happened, right? That is kind of a test for you. Now, we can take x square minus 16 as a common factor from both these terms, and we are left with 2x square plus 3x. Now, this could be factored as, this is difference of squares, right? So this could be factored as x plus 4 times x minus 4, right? And here you can still factor out x, correct? So instead of let me write x here first, and then you get 2x plus 3. Now reorganize it. We should write this x first, right? And then we can write all other terms. So that is the factored form of our polynomial. Okay, so I hope when you look at it, you see we kind of get it, right? You see there is something common. Both are even kind of things. 2 times 16 gives me a perfect square. 3 times 16 gives me a perfect square, and it kind of gives me an idea of going about, right? So look at it carefully so that you can find the groups. Once you find the groups, it is easier. Okay, I hope you learn from it. Thank you.